Today's video, we're going to see what you can do if your Shopify store gets terminated and you get banned. So first of all, if you get banned, you are going to get an email from the email account that you've connected with Shopify that your account has been terminated. It might have been terminated since you might have violated some of their terms and conditions or their policy, and because of that, they might have detected that this account needs to be banned, and that's why they might have terminated your Shopify account. Now, what you can do is you would have definitely received an email, so you'll open that email and you'll read through that entire email that you received where your Shopify account has been terminated. And while reading that, they'll show you the reason why it's been terminated, and there they'll also give you a link to appeal. So you can appeal if your account gets terminated. If you think that it got terminated for a wrong reason and it shouldn't have been terminated, they give you a link in that email which you can open, and there you can follow the prompts to appeal the decision. You can write why you think your account shouldn't be terminated, and you can send that appeal request from the link that you get in your email. You can contact Shopify from email from right there, and you can send over that email. They'll ask you a few prompts to verify your identity as well. Completing the appeal form is basically the most important step, and you need to submit that appeal form and write all of your reasons. And after you've done that, you'll submit that appeal form, and then what you're going to do is wait until you get a response. Now, if your Shopify appeal is listened and they make your account active again and you'll be able to use your store, your account will be terminated again, then that would be great. Otherwise, you'll have to create a new store. If they keep your account terminated, you'll have to create a new store. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.